Pugs, 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 puggles, chugs, puggles, 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 pugs, pugs, pugs. The most popular dogs on Twitter. Pugs, 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 pugs are also popular on YouTube. Pugs, 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 pugs. How you doing? How you doing? How are you? How are you? How are you? What you doing? What you doing? How are you? How are you? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? I love you. I love you. I love you. Hopefully, hopefully, hopefully. Huh? How are you doing? How are you doing? Yeah, how are you doing? Lucy, how you doing? Lucy, how you doing? Huh? How are you? How are you?
That's all fine and well, but you also have to talk about Rossi and Medina and Barco and Coleman and Tyler Adams in terms of domestic young
Trump does a lot of golf. Alright? Trump does a lot of golf. Golf for Trump. Golf for Trump. Golf for Trump. Golf for Trump. Alright? Not golf for Trump. Golf for Trump. We and Lucy hope to see you tomorrow. Hopefully have a happy Easter. Either second chance or hopefully keep the routine. But I'd like to see you as much as possible. Oh yeah. Hopefully.
It's not that super club. He's going to have to adjust his expectations going forward. But I say you put him in the second half. To start the second half, or give him a good 20-30? Put him in. We'll find out.
That was amazing. How are you? How are you? How are you?
To start or at some point in the second half. Find out with us. But his team is down at the break.
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Brave man, Mr. Stevens.
Gene Simmons. Follow the ripoff. How you doing? Vinnie Vincent, Ace Frehley, Peter Chris, Boris Golick, the musician and clown, How are you doing? 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 How are you doing?